Hey, have you been thinking about start selling on Amazon, but you have no clue on where to begin? I just want to give you this quick reminder that there's still time to learn this. The first thing you need to do is to find the one perfect product to sell. The perfect product is something that is low competition, easy to sell, and of course very profitable. If you join us now in our 7-day One Perfect Product Challenge, we will teach you all about this. All you have to do is set aside 30 minutes per day for only 7 days and you will get there on time. You just have to click the link around this video. It can either be on the top or below this video. And I see you on the inside.